Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Why it's important to get a tree for your spiritual channels. So, I have 2 trees in my backyard, Kubera and Simon. They are family. I talk to them, get them food, get them liquor, hugs whenever they need a boost or I need a boost. Basically, they are my G's. See, trees have energy. Trees are alive. They bring you power and creative insight on things. When you're outside and around nature, you're receiving negative ions. These ions help you to be more of yourself, one with yourself. Bring you back into that homeostasis frequency that's great for your well-being. And more importantly, spiritual enlightenment. We are so inundated with low frequency waves, EMFs, positive ions. This is your TVs, your radios, laptops, computers, cell phones, and so on. These positive ions destroy the integrity of our system, making it harder to tap into that inner knowing and ruining our communications with energies. In ancient times, we weren't overwhelmed with technology. We used the power of our minds to teleport, telecommunicate, move things, and so on and so forth. How else you think they built the pyramids? Crystals, plants in your home, getting a tree, and making it your friend. These are all vital things in receiving creative energy. Your being one with that tree or trees is essential in building a great standing relationship with you and the energies inside of you. Spending time and communing with just you and the tree is a great way to tap into your inner knowing. Don't have an ego about it. Hug that tree and take your power to the next level. And watch your creativity become alive. Dream wise.